Hello everyone, it's Varkki here, and welcome to my channel ASV Excel, where I teach you how to get the most out of Microsoft Excel. In this video, I will show you one of the most useful and effective shortcuts that you can use when working with pivot tables. When we want to filter out an element from a column or a row, the conventional way is to click on the filter button, select the element we don't want to see, and then press OK. While this method works, there is a much quicker and more convenient way. First, click on the element you want to filter out. Then use the shortcut. Hold down the Ctrl key and press the minus key. This will instantly filter out the selected element. For example, if we want to filter out the Western region from our data, we will click on the West region, hold down the Ctrl key and press minus. You will see that West region is filtered out, the numbers are updated, and the grand total now reflects the data without the Western region. The same method can be applied to other columns and rows to filter out different elements. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more useful Microsoft Excel lessons. I'll see you in the next video.